Hey folks, Roger with Printer Strategies here, ready to show you about this high quality tech lighting 21-inch UV coder. It comes with a feeder. I'm going to walk you through the adjustments there. It does a full 21-inch wide. There is a built-in blower motor. You'll see that we use air over here on the feeder with air knife separation technology. This is where your UV coating bucket goes, as well as some of the wash. There are two hoses that come up, so you can run, say, matte and gloss, for example. This is your actual coating roller, and it looks like it is brand new. This is where you would adjust the bottom roller to adjust the nip force as it goes through this area here for different thicknesses of stock. So as I adjust this, it gets very tight. If I loosen it, it goes straight through. Roller right here that meters how much UV material you're putting down. Down here, this is your doctor blade, very sharp knife that rides up against the bottom roller like this and cleans off any excess so that you don't have any backside transfer of the UV coating material. We have a color touch screen. Your primary controls are through the touch screen. I can turn the system on and off. So for example, right now the clutch is not turning on. If I turn on the coder clutch, that wheel is now spinning, and I can adjust the speed. Variable, all the way up to 60 inches per second. Same thing on the feeder. The feeder speed is adjusted here as well. You got an emergency stop, of course, but then you have interlocks throughout the machine as well that'll keep you safe. Electronics panel down here with your PLCs. The power on this machine is 220, 240 volts, so there's two lines and a neutral, and the amperage is 46 amps. The output is fully adjustable for the size of sheet that's coming out to give you a nice stack. The UV lamp is here, the IR lamp is here. This is the output. So it does have a built-in blower, which you can either exhaust that to the outside, or over there to your right is a filter that will optionally sit behind the machine, do your filtering for you. This is your coder clutch here and your main drive motor. Everything here is very beefy, very clean. Here's a look at your motor and blower back there for the feeder assembly. And the feeder itself is very easy to operate. I'm going to put it in manual mode. And this is table down. So you've got a very large stack possible. This is your switch that tells it when it's all the way up. This is your back guides, and those keep the paper from moving back because you do have air knife separation here, 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 and there. 4 spots where it will use air knife to make sure that you don't get double sheet feeds. I can also do it in auto mode. So what auto mode does is while you're running it, it will continue to raise the pile as needed as you use stock. So let me just show you how it works in general. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the system. I'm going to turn up the coder speed a little bit. Well, first I need to turn on the coder clutch. Then I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And I usually like to go just a little bit faster here than I am over there. And the feeder speed. So this is somewhat arbitrary. And then when I turn on the air pump, the system will run faster. That's about half speed right there. Going to slow everything down and turn off the feeder air pump. So that's how the system works. Now we're going to go ahead and put some UV coating in there and show you how it coats. And now to shut it down, I'm just going to turn the speed way down, turn off the fluid pump, open this up, and just let that fluid drain out. Come back, clean it with a little bit of solution, and that's it. 5-minute shutdown.